The markets are moving once again, and a lot of coins are rallying hard. And even Bitcoin is in a very, very vital level right now. Extremely important that we do break on if you are a bull. Now, we've done many updates on the market in the past. So far, so good. Everything is going into the type of move that we've said in previous videos. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves, not being cocky. We're just going to go through the market today, review what we're seeing and what my expectations are. So let's jump straight in. I am Fitzo Crypto. First thing first, Bitcoin, and we are going to go through two different Bitcoin charts. But currently, as things stand, guys, we are pushing into the local resistance here. So it's definitely a area to be cautious of. Previous videos, I did say that I'm quite risk on and I'm confident that we get the bounce here. I don't want to jinx it. I do think we've got a high chance of breaking through this, but we need to just look at it for what it is until we confirm we are at a resistance going into the weekend. If we just move this on into the slightly higher time frames as well, what we're looking at if we do start breaking out here, I think that we do have a high chance of breaking out of them previous highs and heading all the way up to 120 grand and maybe more, but we will cross them paths when we get to it. If we are going to sell off again and a big sell off at bare minimum, if we are going to have a big sell off, I'll be looking at coming back into this level here. So in around 90 to 85 $1,000 per coin. Now, there is another simplistic way of looking at Bitcoin, which is this, right? It's kind of mimicking previous type of structures. Within every single moment of these, there's always that doom and gloom scenario, doom and gloom, doom and gloom. And then just here, doom and gloom. And then just here, we was met with bull runs over, did a video on that. And also, guys, I will put a little screenshot up here now, but some proof even from our group itself where I basically did this chart on that day and I just did a little gift saying, I'm just chilling. I have a lot of faith in the course of this market, the cycle, and everything that I'm seeing. It's mainly positive, but the negatives are obviously amplified, and that's just how these markets work. So far, Bitcoin is looking well again. What I'm going to do actually is pull this over this way, and we'll just have a little look at Bitcoin dominance before we jump into altcoins, because this is serious for altcoins. Bitcoin dominance could be breaking down again. So we've done videos on Bitcoin dominance before explaining the importance of Bitcoin dominance and what it can do for the market and what it can do against the market as well. So just here is the new local trend, and it really does look like we're trying to fight down here. We had a break above, but we came back below, and it's looking bearish. Okay, it's looking bearish, so to speak, currently, which is a good sign. But that comes off the back of a weekly rising wedge as well, as you can see. So rising wedge, bearish pattern. We'll put a little screenshot of how they can play out here as well. But there is the breakdown. So we've got a weekly breakdown, really good if you're a bull, that is, and for altcoins. And now we have that full hourly breakdown as well. So a bit more of a local breakdown. Two good signs. So total two is breaking out again, and I've done lots of updates on these across multiple platforms. Guys, I'm in loads of areas of crypto, so please feel free to jump in the description after this and click any of the links that you want to follow me on. But we did have my bad, that was taken from a different time frame. We have had a breakout here from this channel, this kind of falling channel, bit of a bull flag formation just here, which hopefully is going to break out. We have got resistances to test. That's the cycle highs just here. And then that is the all-time highs. We're not that far away. Let me just make sure I'm definitely being true to form when I say that. Yes, so there's all-time highs just from the previous cycle, guys. And this is my expectations. Again, been through this before. This is more of a market update video, not what I want to actually happen. And it does look like we're breaking out of here. We're going to retest this. It looks like we could actually go up and start testing all-time highs. On the alt market. That would be awesome. Bitcoin has broken all-time high numerous times. We're still waiting for the broader alt market to test. Total free looks similar as well. Okay, so there is a breakout. We went through this pattern not long ago. There was a nice bull pennant and we have broken out. So bullish patterns in bull markets, guys, or bull market conditions just have more chance of going in favor and giving you continuation. So that's what we've been waiting for and watching out for all this time. So there's the current breakout, and we are heading in also to them resistance areas. If anyone doesn't know what this chart refers to, I have done videos on it, but long story short, this is where I believe anyway a lot of people should be taking serious. And if you get the job done well down here or here, you should be able to actually enjoy life a little bit and, become one of them little portfolio screenshot people for a small period of time before you need to start taking this market serious and start scaling out and selling your profits at some point. Worst thing you can ever do, guys, is round trip crypto or any market, putting in loads of hard work down here and down here or whatever, and then just to ride it all the way back down. There is nothing worse than that. So please always remember to take profits as you go through. Now, total 2 and total 3 is massively being helped out by your XRPs, your XLMs, your hbars, and your big caps, and even Solana. Actually, Solana is also on a nice little run right now. So others is crypto outside the top 10. And as you can see, the breakout has not happened yet on others. So there has been a point in the past where others was the strongest and moving first. Now it's not. Others is behind for now because of what your likes of Dogecoin as well, Solana and XRP is able to do right now. The lower caps and the mid caps are lagging. That doesn't mean they're not going to have their moments. So in my opinion, I would not give up on mid caps and low caps. I would actually be accumulating them still before they actually go on a run. Okay. Patience is a virtue, buying into accumulation, sell distributions when we're up high. That is the name of the game. So the top 10 are pushing hard. The lower part of the market is not putting in the same just yet, but we are not far away from that breakout. And you know what? Little one before we do start wrapping up, the elephant in the room. And the elephant in the room, I know it's going to sound contradictive here, but I know this is excluding Ethereum, but I do think if Ethereum can actually start moving, I think a lot of the low cap coins are going to wake up. A lot of these low cap coins are based on Ethereum. And it's like the market is waiting for the big dog to finally make its move. And I think at that point, we will see others start making the move because I think a lot of people in the market will have a lot more investor confidence once Ethereum starts its main rally. That, guys, was a very, very, very quick update from me for the end of the week for crypto. Signs are looking good, if I'm honest. I'm very, very happy the way the market's going. Me and the guys in the actual group as well are making a fortune just on trades alone. And portfolios are finally growing as well. If you want to follow us in the group, links in the description. Feel free to come and join us. Come and join us over at Blowfin as well. Links are there. And we do have exclusive trading events every 2 weeks in there if you come and sign up through me. And that is it, guys. Market update quickly, positive outlook. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. And if I don't see you, have a good weekend. All the best, people.